If you are interested in learning how to make money online and how to build an income generating online asset in Kenya, there is a 3-step system that you need to learn, that you need to understand how it works to make this entire income generating system work. And this system involves learning 3 steps. First step is how to generate or get the attention of the audience. The second one is how to be able to build trust with that audience. And the third one is the ability to monetize that ecosystem. Those 3 systems, when they work together, you get an opportunity to be able to build an income generating online business in Kenya. You actually create an automated cash machine. This is because getting those 3 right, being able to build audience, being able to build trust with that audience, and then finding ways to make money from the attention you have gotten from your content online, it makes it easy for you to start creating offers and selling your products or services to that ecosystem. So these 3 systems are not complicated. They are easy to do, but unfortunately, it may be very tough for you to execute because it requires you to do a lot of work. And what I have observed, or what you might observe if you study a lot of people, is that we, the human beings, are extremely lazy. We do not like to do things that make us work hard. The concept that involves creating an audience, building trust, and monetizing that ecosystem is actually not difficult. What becomes very tough is when it comes to execution, is when it comes to doing the work. Taking actions to make this 3-step system work is where many people get stuck. And it's probably also the part where you'll find it to be very difficult. And it's possible that you're also going to find it very tough if you try to build this system up. This is because if you study a lot of material on psychology and how our brains work, you will come to a very interesting realization that human beings are an extremely lazy lot. We are very lazy. We human beings are extremely lazy, and I mean it in this context. Our brains is wired to ensure that it protects us from things that can bring us harm. And if you take actions where you are working very hard, where you are pushing your body to the extreme, where you are working long hours, your brain will see this as a signal that is threatening your life. In that case, your brain may try to protect and preserve you by ensuring that you do not do this hard work. And that's how being lazy ends up stopping you from taking actions that could change your life. If you doubt this particular theory, and I actually suggest that you go and do a little bit more research on how brain works, you realize that there are very many situations where you have wanted to do something, you have even started taking actions, and then after a while, you have stopped pursuing that particular goal, or even taking actions that could make your life better, or actions that could make you earn extra money. This has everything to do with your entire system trying to maintain the status quo, keep you or maintaining you in the situation you already are, because any action towards bettering your life almost becomes a threat to your life. And that's the way sometimes part of your brain interprets it. That's why sometimes motivation is not enough. You need more to achieve the goals that you set for yourself. If I am to go back to this particular system, the system that involves you building an audience, building trust with that audience, and then monetizing, those 3 steps are very critical when it comes to building your income generating online business in Kenya. And this is how it works. The first step involves you building the audience. We are living at a time that some have referred to as attention economy. This is particularly with regard to the creator economy in Kenya. You are fighting for the attention of the people or the attention of your target audience. And in this regard, then you need to create content that targets the particular person or the particular people that you want to help and that you would want to work with. This is where the whole concept or the whole system of building an audience comes in. You need to find ways to create a blog posts, to create social media posts, to create videos that attract that ideal person that you want to serve. And this is the foundational step. You cannot be able to actually build trust or make money online without having built the audience. So this is where you are going to spend a lot of time on. You are going to spend most of your time actually creating content. It is not easy. If you look at blogging, you will need almost 6 months to a year of daily content creation or creating blog posts for you to have the critical mass that is required to start attracting the traffic that you may need on your blog. Similarly, I think that same entire concept works on YouTube, which is why I am in this 120 content challenge on this YouTube channel. And the concept is very simple. I want to try and create 120 pieces of video in 120 days. And again, this is me trying to build momentum for my audience. I want to be able to build an audience of people who are interested in making money online in Kenya and who are interested into creating a system that can be able to give them financial freedom and the location freedom that they would want when it comes to building a lifestyle that they desire. And once you have been able to then create a semblance of some audience, then you need to develop a system that helps you to build trust with them. And to make this point a little bit clear to you, I would want you to consider how dating works. You meet a guy or you meet a lady and you start a conversation. The first day you meet them, you are just getting to know them, which is similarly to when somebody comes across your piece of content online. If they have watched your video for the first time, they are not committed to you, they are not invested. Similarly, if somebody comes across your blog article, they don't know you, they don't care, and they are not invested or interested in you as an individual. However, if they continue engaging with your pieces of content, they will get to a point where they probably like you and become fond of you in terms of the content that you are creating and the value that you are providing to them. In fact, it becomes very easy for them to start engaging with you a little bit better if you can be able to help them solve the problem that they have. You are going to become friends. Start trusting that, okay, this individual can actually help me solve the problem that I have. This individual can actually help me build the business that I want to build. This individual can actually help me save more money. This individual can actually help me invest in real estate, in the stock market, in the crypto market, in the gold market. Whatever it is that you are involved in, the people you are trying to serve will start to appreciate the work that you are doing. And this is where you start building trust. And the best system that you can use to build trust when it comes to building an online business is email marketing. This is a concept that actually may require an entire video on its own. But the thing is, you need to move the conversation from whatever platform you are using into a platform where you can start having one-on-one engagement with your audience. And that is why email marketing is very important and very powerful when you are building your online business. When it comes to email marketing, there are a number of email marketing softwares and email marketing platforms that you can use. For example, I have used MailChimp in the past. I am using Aweber in one of my online businesses, and on this particular YouTube channel, I am using ConvertKit. Those are some of the email marketing platforms that are available there in the market, and there are quite a number of others that you can pick from. But email marketing is a tool that you can use to be able to build trust with the people that you want to serve. The third system that is very important when you are creating your online business in Kenya is the monetization aspect of it. This is probably one of the most interesting systems that you might be interested in, because this involves finding ways to make money with your online business. There are quite a number of ways in which you can monetize your content. You can monetize your blog, you can monetize your YouTube channel. You can make money from the content that you are creating. That is over and above what you may get from the platforms that you are using. Making money with your online business in Kenya is very, very important, because some of the money that you are going to generate is going to help you pay for your bills. It's going to help you pay for your rent, for your school fees, or even fund your lifestyle. But at the same time, part of that income is going again to fund the growth of your business. Because if you are to look at this system where you're trying to build the audience, the trust and monetization as one big system, then you need some money to continue growing your audience. And this is where you can start playing around with advertising, spending money to promote your products, spending money to promote your lead magnet, spending money to grow your audience. And you see this quite a lot on social media, on Google, on YouTube, people using adverts to actually continue to grow their audience. And that entire system can only work if you have the money for the mission. So this system only works if you can be able to find a way to create the audience or to be able to reach your target audience, build trust with your audience, and then make money with your online business, which again you can channel back to growth of the audience, and the system starts to become a self-liquidating system that works in an automatic way. So as you can see, building an online business in Kenya is similar to building any other business that you may have in mind. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not a way to make money next month quickly, but it is a way for you to be able to create a business that can be sustainable for a very long period of time. And it is going to require you to work probably even harder than you have ever worked. However, the results and the fruits of your hard work are going to be extremely sweet, which is why I would urge you to actually consider having an income generating online business in Kenya. To help you start your own income generating online business in Kenya, I have created for you a 7-step framework. It's a guide that you can use to start and build an online business. And to get this free guide, click the first link on the description box below. If you have enjoyed this particular video, check out this video on your screen right now, and I'll see you in the next one.